When you leave Dallas-Fort Worth going north, all the subdivisions start looking the same until you get to McKinney. And then you get out here to Waterstone Estates, one of the last custom build subdivisions around. And when I mean custom build, I mean it's custom build. 1 acre lots, all of them, you can bring your own builder, bring your own floor plan, your own design, build it out here. Let's go take a look. One of the first things you're going to notice out in Waterstone is you have water, but you also have big 1 acre lots. Some back up into the woods, some back up into the lakes, but all of them are fantastic. This is lot 101B. It's an acre, backs up to the woods. It's the neighbor's house. One thing you'll notice is that it's quiet. This is the property line of lot 101B. Comes right down to the lake. This lake has a dam on both ends, so the water level is always the same. The big lake is there to the right. There's a spillway right there, so this lake is always the same level. Stocked year-round fishing.